enumena ye bu president no ewo Ghana ha no US House Speaker your friend Nancy Pelosi ono so Ginny booing ewo America. Now omo busa me say what do I think say booing e ba me say yes say boo president.
Me to say o can say it's good.
Then follow-up calls threatening me ade say omo be jail. Nana me catch omo hwe me omo jail me.
Oh, Bullgod.
I'm telling you something. Nana mami catch up BBC.
Oh, man can I drink?
I beg you people where you did the Jubilee House or wherever. Come tell me. I swear come tell me. Huh? Because of you go for no talk. Come tell me. I dey wait for you. Nana, minka assembly sisu. Mpacho, tie. We went to that place. Your friends Black Star Square on a number of issues, global citizen, no. Poverty alleviation,
Which alleviation? It's part of the treaties.
Yeah. And this is an administration that has made sure that every Ghanaian will be poor. This administration, they are working very hard.
Mpacho.
No.
They are working hard.
How would you sit there and be closing businesses, making the ordinary Ghanaian's life miserable? And Nana, yen started from time omu ba power. Unim konforma omo juma say. Juma su gusu say. And then me read AEBCC. I don't know say. I didn't go. I just saw the headline. A business obi are closing it. Banks. Everybody's life is some way. Even the MPP people are complaining.
Which one 1 week to me to light?
How? It doesn't make sense. You have money to even buy light, you can't buy.
Well, to Ghana 2022 to me to light.
Then you want to jail? You want to jail me? I swear tomorrow if I don't go jail, then you people you not be the presidency there you day. Come jail me.
If you commit a crime, you go to jail.
Set myself more court. Me no more court. So this is not what they are saying. Say they are going to manipulate the matter to take. Come and take me. Mache. You have nothing to do. Musoria. Muninam. Anyhow. Instead of me patrol. Yes. The president should not be there. The president is a chief contributor to poverty in this town. He and his people, they are chief contributors for suffering in this town. They are the helm of affairs. No say bibia into ukojina and about poverty alleviation. What do you mean? The people then know what is happening. They feel it in their bones. So if the only way to speak out or to come up and say we don't want you here, let us for just this time, let us have some peace and chill. And I'm asked my opinion, you want to jail me? Huh? Mache. The president shouldn't have gone there. It wasn't the right time. And it happened everywhere. I don't know how many Nancy Pelosi, Onusu Jenny there.
But
is anybody...
Maybe a global festival, president no call.
Me can't say
the president should not be there.
The other presidents and other dignitaries that have gone to wherever that did not get booed was doing something positive for their people. The people in this era, if you show your face, they will boo you. Look, I know that A+, from today, President you call baby, omubasi nko fans. Ye nimsa juma no ye betumi aya momo. Ye di be she bas wo mu ko sa na mu pa omunye. How so we can't express our views anymore. And you say Baba Siddiq brought 70 people. What do you mean by that?